What's up guys, we're going to check out how you play Don't Fear the Reaper on the acoustic guitar. If you've got an electric guitar, no problem, just follow the tutorial and the chord charts are put up as we go. Right, let's have a look. So we've got three main chords for this. We've got an A minor shape, a G major shape, and an F major shape as well. No capo, all in standard tuning. So I'm going to slow it right down. So the first chord that we've got is our A minor. So our first finger's going on the first fret of the second string, second finger's going on the second fret of the fourth string, and then our third finger's going on the second fret of the third string. Now, what we're doing is we're plucking 5, 4, 3, and then we're taking our third finger off to let that G string, let that third string ring out. So we've got 5, 4, 3, 3. Then what we're doing, we're moving our third finger to the G in the root here on the third fret of that sixth string, and then we're going to move our second finger still on the second fret, but we're going to go on the fifth string and we're going to pluck 6, 5, 4, 3. So together we should have this. Again, slow it down. And then we're going to move to that F shape. And I'm playing this as a bit of a power chord. I've got my first finger on the first fret of that sixth string, which is this. I've got my third finger on the third fret of the fifth string. And I've got my pinky finger on that third fret of the fourth string. And I'm going to pluck 6, 5, 4, 3. 6, 5, 4, 3. So it should sound like this. Now instead of going back to that G major shape, I'm going to shift that F position up 2 frets, keeping that same shape. 1, 2. So you should have that. And we're going to pluck the same pattern as the F. So we've got 6, 5, 4, 3. 6, 5, 4, 3. Let's put it together. Obviously, it gets a little bit more complicated as you're going a bit quicker. So make sure that you master it going very slow first of all, and then you'll get into that rhythm. So there you have it. If you've got any comments, please, or any questions or any recommendations, put them in the comment section below. I answer any questions that you may have. And if you like the video, please subscribe to my next videos coming out very, very soon. I'll see you again. Bye bye.